Hi, and welcome to our presentation for ERE 288. We are Team 5. Our members include Sonia, Sandra, Ben, Suzanne, and Sydney. The program we chose to evaluate was SupportNet at Fresno State. SupportNet is a resource and assistance for individuals who are struggling in the area of college readiness. The program is not specific to anyone, rather it is open to those who attend Fresno State. Services through Fresno State are not limited to time management, developing realistic study expectations, engaging in learning style assessments, providing study skills and test-taking strategies, while also providing one-on-one support and group support through academic success workshops. The literature surrounding programs similar in nature to SupportNet serving students struggling academically suggests that there must be accountability placed on the student and the institution regarding student success and improvement. In an evaluation of the program's effectiveness in the spring of 2011, data showed significant advancements in students' performance, including rising GPAs, university retention. This evaluation supports the notion that when both parties work together, student improvement is achievable. The Motivation Strategies of Learning Questionnaire, the MSLQ, is a measurement that has been around since the 1986. Three of the core topics in the MSLQ are expectancy, value, and effect. As a research group, we wanted to incorporate these topics into our questionnaire. This program evaluation includes quantitative measurements, use of student motivation and learning strategies, surveys based on the Likert scale, and a qualitative survey which examines several areas of student satisfaction, including student needs, student goals, use of learning and study skills and strategy questions related to motivation, the use of campus and community resources, and the usefulness of the resources provided at Fresno State.
70 students from SupportNet at California State University in Fresno who have received services from SupportNet will be selected for these interviews. The setting will be in a prearranged location in the Henry Madden Library. In regards to SupportNet and the services the program provides, it would be best to use a non-experimental design combined with a Likert scale. Motivated strategies of learning questionnaire. In the post-assessment, each question will be categorized from 1, not true at all of me, 2, 3, and 4, neutral, 5, 6, and 7, very true of me. The answers provided will provide insight of each student experience with the program. The face-to-face interview allows the interviewer to communicate directly with the respondent in regards to prepare survey questionnaires. The face-to-face interview is a quantitative research method. This way, the respondent is more inclined to give their full attention, and the interview can infer the quality of each response. When looking at data, the first instinct is to find patterns, connections, and relationships. We look at data to find meaning. Data analysis is how research moves a mass of data to a meaningful insight. This slide shows more of the data analysis process, including the different types of analysis. Our research team will select the method that best fits our study. An evaluation of any program is always important to ensure the program is running appropriately and is serving its purpose. It determines the worth and significance of the program. Overall, evaluating the program provides an ongoing learning experience to improve the program's effectiveness. Validity and reliability are vital components of evaluating the program and ensuring that results are reproducible and trustworthy. Evaluation can improve the program's design, implementation, and/or it can demonstrate the impact the program is having. It is important for the program evaluation to be executed carefully and well planned. A good evaluation will be tailored to the program, will be inclusive, honest, and replicable.
In reviewing the program evaluation proposal for SupportNet, there are a few limitations that might impede researchers' ability to effectively evaluate SupportNet. Some of these limitations include participation, duration, fluency, and cost. Participation or lack thereof will be really important for this evaluation. Researchers are aware and are incorporating avenues to increase student engagement in the evaluation and have incorporated those fees proposed in their budget. Duration is another limitation in this research. There might be not enough time depending on the large amount of student participation, or too much time resulting in wasted efforts and funds if there are not enough participants. Fluency as a limitation might include researchers and interviewers having additional questionnaires available in alternative languages and additional languages. This is something that should be considered because Fresno State is an institution that is considered an MSI and an ANAPZ. Cost is another limitation that was considered for this study. We estimate the research will take around 2 months from start to finish. Accounted within the timeline is the time it will take to form a partnership and work out logistics with the university, in this case Fresno State. The remaining month will be spent implementing the assessment at the end of the academic year. We anticipate the semi-structured interviews will take no more than 3 weeks, leaving an additional week for an evaluation and analysis. The proposed budget for this project is $1,500. This budget includes fees required to develop and provide scales and questionnaires, acquire research tools, and create a comfortable atmosphere for students that will be participating in the evaluation process. To encourage involvement and increase the number of participants, funds have been included to provide refreshments and other incentives for students that might not otherwise engage. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching.